Welcome to another episode of series Gardens of India. Today we will be doing Padma's garden. She has a lot of medicinal plants and we thought it would be really interesting to talk to her and get to know how she is able to put, and most of her plants are in the ground. So in Dallas, Texas, having these plants in ground is a very risky thing, but she's hoping that she's able to continue putting them in the ground, so there's less maintenance at the same time, a little risk, but it's we are hoping and praying all these plants will do excellent. So let's look at Padma's garden, where she has Ranapala and a lot of these medicinal plants which are very, very rare. And we also are going to go to her fruit garden side and vegetable part. So keep looking at the videos that we are doing. Thank you so much. Let us talk to Padma and get to know what is she doing and how is she able to raise lovely fruits and flowers and vegetables, and what inspires her. Let's look at her garden. Hi Padma, how are you?
Good. How are you, Sirisha?
Thank you so much for letting us come and shoot your yard. Thank you so much. So what inspires you, Padma, to do gardening and raise all these Indian vegetables and fruits over here?
Basically, I am grown up in a village surrounded by all fields and all plants around the home. So when I came to US, I really missed that. So when I bought home, first thing I requested was like not furniture, sofas, beds or anything. I asked my husband, I need a garden first. I was like, he was happy to do it because he likes gardening.
He likes gardening too?
Yes.
Excellent. I've known Padma for almost 25 years now, and she has two wonderful kids. And so do Naidu Garu also help you with the yard work?
Yes.
Kids also do the yard work, Padma?
Yes.
Excellent. So it's a family thing.
It's a family thing.
Excellent.
Yes.
So we have here Padma's medicinal patch, I would say, where she has some of the rarest plants. So Padma, go ahead. Start with whichever plant you start with.
So this plant is called Ranapala. If you eat this one leaf every day, it helps in controlling high BP.
Wonderful.
And a lot of other things.
How old is this plant, Padma?
This is about 3 years old.
3 years? Very good. And I see that you have the sugar plant over here.
The insulin plant.
Insulin plant?
This.
Excellent. Oh, these are also flowers, is it?
Yes, it
Oh,
eats
beautiful.
flowers. This is the first time. I have this plant for 3 years.
It's called insulin plant itself?
It's called insulin plant itself.
So it's good for all the diabetes and all of that.
Yes.
They eat the root, huh? They eat the leaves.
They eat the leaf.
Okay.
They eat the leaf, and it's believed to be controlling blood sugar level.
levels.
Yes.
Excellent. And this is the avadumbaram that you have here.
Yes, this is the avadumbaram.
And it has so many medicinal powers.
Including bark also, it's very useful.
I heard even the bark is very, very good for all skin problems, and lot of like the bark is used for it. It is in the ground, if you notice, and it is. How old is this plant, Padma?
This is 3 years old.
3 years old. Very
in
good.
the ground first year.
First year?
It was in the pot until spring, and I planted it in spring.
In spring you planted.
Yes,
So
but
the roots are all.
you can see a lot of difference after you planted. It was like an inch thick in the plant for
pot?
2 years in the
Okay.
pot.
Okay.
But right now you can see how healthy it is, how happy the plant is.
So I think it is. These are meant to be in the ground,
Meant to be
not
in the
in the
ground.
pots. I
Yes.
agree. This is your guava plant. Padma has like around 2 or 3
Two.
guava plants,
Two.
and she's the guava queen, I would say, because she does get a lot of guavas here. So how old is this guava plant, Padma?
This guava plant is 4-year-old.
4-year-old. Oh,
Yes,
excellent.
3 years in the pot, and this is the first year in the ground.
Excellent.
After spring, after planting in the ground, it grew
Took off?
like almost triple size.
Yes. So if we can just save it during the winter, I think we will have good fruit like India itself.
I'm hoping next year
I
I am
also
going to
hope,
have
yeah.
pretty much a lot
And-
of guavas.
Yeah, guava plant also is very good for your gum problems and any of your mouth ulcers. Or if I have taken guava leaves and didn't have to go to the dentist for a normal gum problem, and the dentist
Awesome.
itself was surprised how it happened. I said I ate guava leaves, so it's very interesting. So this is quite a big good plant over here.
Yes.
And you have you have some eggplant here. And what is this plant, Padma?
This is Parijata plant.
Very
We
good.
can use the leaves
Yeah.
for for teas, and we'll get
Even the
beautiful
bark also is
flowers.
used. Yeah, the leaves are very good for joint pains. And if you drink like a kashayam in the morning, like 2 leaves, I have tried it for 3 months. If you try, your joint pains will slightly go away. This is a different method of, curing yourself. Very good. How old is this one? You said
This one is about 4 years
4
old.
years old. Very good.
Yes.
Yeah.
But same like all other plants. So
Once
far
it's
you
down?
have said once it's planted in the ground, it grew like I'm so happy feeling it is giving
It is giving, yeah.
Yes.
You can see it's growing well instead of having to struggle in the pot.
Yes.
I agree. I see that my plants are in pot. So now I'm going to start finding home for it. Next year I'll put it in the ground actually. And you have one more. You have mango here.
mango.
Very good. This is also for you potted this year itself inside
Yes, it's 2-year-old, and this year anyway I'm going to protect this patch for a frost covering.
So you decided
decided
So
to.
what mango is this, Padma?
This is Kent one.
Oh, Kent one, okay. Mango leaves are very good. So you can, like 7 days, you can save the, dry
It
the
is
leaves inside.
alive. It is
Yeah.
alive and giving oxygen even after picking.
Yeah, no, regardless, the leaves are also very good for sugar. I heard that you can dry these leaves.
Awesome.
And every 7 days you can't store it for longer. You have to finish it. I heard that in 3 months, diabetes and all of this is going down, especially.
No,
So
if you
it's a
take
stuff-
the leaf itself, the leaf keeps on giving oxygen after picking for 7 days.
Oh, even the leaf gives itself.
Leaf gives
Oh, very,
oxygen.
very.
That is the reason why in our ceremonies, lot of people will
Come,
pile
right?
up in the same place.
Ah.
That's the reason why they make all
Pandiris
pandiri
without-
and
Oh, I did not know
decorate it
that.
with mango leaves.
Very good. I did not know that part of it. So
Yes,
yeah, now
that's
I know
the-
why we have even at the door. So when
Yes.
people are there during festivals and all, they are coming. Yeah, very interesting. 7 days, is it?
7 days.
And this is another avadumbaram plant.
Avadumbaram.
It looks like it, even this took off very well. So we avadumbaram plant, like as I mentioned in the other episodes, is Dattatreya's favorite plant. It's like having Dattatreya in your house. So it is his favorite plant, and not only that, I heard Lord Narsimha Swami
Swami.
also use this plant leaf juice to cure his fingers after the fight that he had with Hiranyakashipu.
Oh, awesome.
So
I
it's
didn't know
interesting.
that.
Even I did not know, and I got to know just recently. So it's very good.
And another plant I have is this Nandivardhana.
Is this the double Nandivardhana?
Yeah.
Excellent, yeah.
Yeah, Nandivardhana. I don't have any flowers right now, but,
No, but it blooms a lot.
it
and
blooms
it's
a lot
awesome.
and it smells amazing.
So it's this is also is in the ground.
Yes, this is also in the ground and it needs winter protection also.
It also needs winter.
So,
I hear it's beautiful. I have the single one that itself is really good. I plan to put that in the ground actually. Excellent. So I see that there is a vine up here. What plant is this, Padma?
this is Guduchi.
Guduchi. Oh, okay.
Guduchi.
This is the one, the Giloy, the immune system builder.
Immunity builder, and it's easy to grow.
Easy to grow, yes.
Yes.
And it looks like a relatively recent one because we all got to know after COVID that it's very important to have Guduchi.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, actually, better than the powder. They are saying the leaves and the bark is better than the powder that we are getting outside in the market.
Amazing.
We have here moringa, the magic plant. And look at there are some moringa. She uses the leaves, medicinal plant. We are going to cover it in our veggie plants too. How old is this plant, Padma?
This plant is 3 years old.
3 years old.
And
Very
this
good.
year it's producing fruits.
Is it? Okay.
Yes.
And I see that you have the Indian usuri, amla here.
Yes, amla.
So this is the small one?
This is the small one.
Yeah. This is the small one that is
Eating for
usually
snack.
eating for snack, and the fruit will come directly or very close
the
to
stem.
on the stem.
On the
Yeah, I
stem.
know. The leaf
This-
itself is interesting.
Yes, this is about 3-year-old.
So
Hoping it will give fruits next year.
So it came from seed, Padma?
No, I bought it from nursery.
Oh, you got it from the nursery. Very good, very good. I have to get one to amla plant. So she has some tulsi over here and lot of basil up here.
Yes.
So moringa is also very good for us. It's the magic plant is what everybody is calling it. So we have here Padma's neem plant, which is also again in the ground. Look at it. So this is also this first year in the ground, Padma? Or
Yes, first year in the ground. It grew in the pot for like 5 years.
5 years?
This is first year in the ground.
So just look at the stem, right? The stem looks like the ones in India. So it's interesting how we have, once it puts in the ground, I think they work very wonders actually.
It works wonders. It gives lot of flowering, and I have lot of fruits also. I picked.
You pick the neem fruits too? Very
Yes,
good, very good, very good.
yes. And I'm hoping to pick all the leaves
No,
in
no,
a month.
In a month, we have to start picking them. And she has tummi flowers here, which is also medicinal. Tummi plant also is a medicinal plant.
Yes.
Very good. And some more tulsi around the plant. Jujube plant over here. See if you look, there is jujubes over here. Jujubes are nothing but regipandu. And these are a lot of, if you see, there's a lot of them. And if you like the green ones or the red ones, very, very healthy, especially for women. I hear the jujubes they help all the reproductive organs, they take care of all of the ovaries and all of it very much. So jujube is a very nice plant. How old is this one, Padma?
This one is 3-year-old in the
3-year-old.
ground, and
Very good,
when
very
it
good.
came to me, it was almost same 6-7
6,
feet
7
tall.
feet. Okay. And again, the guava, one more plant of guava over here. She harvests a lot of guava. The star of her yard. It is a Seema Chintaka is what we tell. And it, like you will see, this is like a round, coils up. Padma, how many? I think you just recently got these plants, is it?
Yes, this year I
So this is it's called Seema Chintakai only, right?
Seema Chintakaya.
And is there a special name in English for this one? I don't know actually.
Vietnamese tamarind or
Vietnamese tamarind. Yes.
Hai tamarind they call it.
They call it, yes. And it's one of my favorite. I mean, I was trying to look for it. And I
Whole
couldn't.
summer we used to enjoy these fruits.
I know, back
home.
in India. Yeah, exactly. Which is, everybody knows about it. It is the most, very good for skin problems. You can have, hair also grows because of aloe vera juice. So it's very good for health. Betel leaf also is as part of her medicinal plants. Betel leaf, along with when you eat the palm leaves, it's very good. It has calcium, and you
Good
could
for
get
digestion
good for
also.
digestion. And in the olden days, women would eat this so much that they didn't have to go to doctors for joint problems. So now we see older women taking younger ladies who are not eating pan or betel leaves to hospitals for joint problems, is what I hear. So that's a very famous joke that they are having, Padma, that the older generation was much stronger than the younger generation. Ranapala seedlings over here, if you see, and she has a lot of curry leaves, which is also comes under medicinal plants too, and very, very healthy for us. This is Padma's bilva plant, and as you notice, she's trying to propagate it, air propagation, and
But it's not
It's not
working.
working, is what she said. So the whole stem is dying, is what she said. But how old is this plant, Padma?
This plant is 5-year-old.
5-year-old. Okay. This is
Started
again
from a seed,
wonderful, wonderful,
and this year in the ground, planted in the ground.
excellent. Very good. As you see, there are a lot of medicinal plants that Padma has put, and she has neem up here, one more in the pot. And these are simple plants that grow in India, and but it is a struggle to get them potted and maintain them and take care of these over here. So I hope you all get inspired and put a piece of your favorite plant in your yard and get the benefits of it. So like our videos, comment and subscribe to them. So this will wrap up the medicinal plants of Padma's garden. We will do a fruit and vegetable garden also soon.